Anyone want to read from online class? Pankaj, Naitik, Akriti, Upasna.
Sir, I have read.
Siman sir is asking. Okay, come and take it. Which class book he is asking? 8. Okay. So he came from future, means he came from 8th standard, and 8th standard is your future. He came to past to take the book, right? 7th standard. Okay, let me explain also something. Otherwise, you all will say today the class is only reading. Read this poem and learn about the selfless service of a bridge builder. Selfless service. What is the meaning of selfless service? Selfless service means in return I don't want anything. Is called selfless service. Okay, even the appreciation also I don't want. That is called selfless service. Okay, for example, you are helping someone because you know that I will get the appreciation. So this is also not the example of selfless service. Selfless means nothing I need in return. Okay. So I want to say you some point, children. Okay. You will help someone in your life. This is true. Because you are a human being, you will help. But some tips I will give you what you should not do after helping anyone. Okay? What you should not do after helping anyone. Point number 1. After helping anyone, don't see in the eye of the person whom you have helped. Okay? This is point number 1. Point number 2, never discuss this incident with anyone. Okay, for example, today on the road maybe you helped someone and whole day you are saying to your family members, you helped. Yesterday to friend also saying, okay, to teacher also saying, everywhere you are shouting and saying, even from whom you are buying the fruits, you are saying, I am good person. Yesterday only I helped someone. Right? So this type of thing you should never do. You should become a person who is helping other and never think about this. Never discuss about this. Then you will see changes in your life. The first change you will see, you will become more intelligent. Okay? Automatically you will become more intelligent. You will feel very much connected to the God. What the point I said? Help others and that time don't see in their eyes. Why? Because in their eyes you can see gratitude. Okay? Gratitude means the feeling of thankfulness. And this feeling, if you will see in others' eye for yourself, then you can feel ego. Okay? You can feel, yes, I am a good person, I am helping others. I am the God's favorite child. And once you felt this, no, you can do, you will feel then proud, okay? And then you will become a person who is egoistic, thinking about himself, herself, and then not a nice person. Means you will lose your politeness. You will lose your humbleness. Humbleness. If you want to maintain your humbleness, politeness, you help other, and after helping, just move from there. Don't see in their eyes. Maybe he will say that he was a different person. He helped me, but he never looked me. I don't know why. I think he was mad. Let him say. But you don't see in the eye of the person. If it is necessary, look downside. Listen him. But don't see in the eye of the person. Otherwise, you will become a bad person in future. Egoistic person. Right? Sir, from which book you are saying this? This I am saying from the practical book of life. Okay? I am a teacher and so many books I have read. and the tested thing only I am saying in the class. Understood? So, point number 1, if you help someone, never see in the eye of the person whom you are helping. Point number 2, never discuss about this with anyone, even with your mother, even with your father, your brother, your family, friend. Never discuss this thing. Okay? Then only it will become a good thing. You will get a very good and attractive personality. You will speak and the people will listen to you if you are having this type of personality. You are helping others and not talking about that. Okay? So I hope these 2 points you will do. Now imagine a person who is 75-year-old and he is planting a mango tree. How much time mango tree used to take to give the fruit? How much year? 5 to 6 years. Anyone is having mango plant in their home? 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is you are raising hand or touching the hair? No. Okay. 6, 7, 8 children are having mango plant. Okay. So you see, you are having the plant, but you have not planted. Maybe your family member they have planted and you are getting the fruit. Okay. So you all have also planted. So maybe the future generation they can have the, or you can also have the fruit, right? So the 75-year-old person is planting the mango, and it is not guaranteed that 5 more years he is going to survive also. Then also he is planting with happiness, because he know that the fruit the future generation or the future people or any human being will have. This is called selflessness. Doing something, see, if I am saying that I am teaching you all this is selflessness, I am not right here, because I teach you because this is my work and I am paid for this. Are you understanding, children? Okay, so somewhere it is not coming selflessness, but what more can be here? The more can be here that whatever my work is, if that work I will do very nicely, okay, then it can be a good thing, but then also it is not selflessness. Are you understanding this? Selflessness means doing something which is not getting anything in return. Even the good name also you are not getting in return. That is called selflessness. Okay? That is called selflessness. Now imagine in your life, ever you have helped any stranger, then if you have helped the stranger, any stranger, even if you said the address also, okay, then you discussed about this with others or not, you looked in the eye of the person whom you helped or not, and these 2 incidents change your behavior for at least 1 day, 1 hour or not. Okay. So if you help others and if you discuss about this, you cannot be a good person for more time. You will lose your politeness. To be polite, you should never ever discuss this thing. So this poem is talking about selflessness, and the opposite of selflessness is selfish. Okay, opposite is selfish. Selfish means those who are selling the fish in the market, they are called? No sir. Selfish, another meaning is here. Okay. Selfish means the one who is thinking about himself or herself only is called selfish. I, me, myself. Okay. Anything is coming in the home, it should come for me. Right? Who is right? I am right. Okay. Who is best? Myself is the best person in the world. So if the sentence used to be around I, me, myself, then the person used to be the selfish one. Okay. The one who is always thinking about himself or we should have the selfless life, or in between we can have the balanced life, right? These things can be done. Understood, children? Okay. Now one thing I am asking, we should not think only about others, but we should think about others. We should not think only about others, but we should think about others. We should not think only about ourselves, but we should think about ourselves. Example means, after listening to today's class, one child is going home. On the way only he is giving his coat to poor person. Selfless law. Okay. From today my teacher taught me that be selfless, and this coat is now belonging to you and you are throwing. Few steps you are moving and your school bag you are giving to slum children and saying, take this bag, study, because this is called selfless act, right? If you do this, then you are a foolish boy or girl. Why? Because selfless means you do or give something to other without thinking in return of anything, at the same time using your intelligence also. Example, your coat means your sweater, tomorrow also you need, because it is a school uniform. Yes or no? So how you can give it to other? Second, your school bag, which is having a lot of book, is needed for your bright future. So how you can create hurdle in your own future? Yes. So what I am teaching you, that you should never become a person who is creating trouble in your own life. If you will give your all books, what you are studying now, to others, then your future will become dark. Can you do this injustice to yourself? So first of all, do justice to yourself if you want to do justice with others. Okay? Do justice with yourself. Respect yourself. Respect your views. Respect your future. Okay? So we have to become a person in future who is between selfish and selfless, and a practical person who is praying also to God and who is surviving in the world nicely. Are you able to understand me, children? So today the moral of our reading is, never create trouble in your own future. Okay? Never create trouble in your own future. If you have something, your future is good. If you give that and that is necessary for you, then you are creating trouble for your future. How you can snatch something from yourself? Okay? You are doing injustice with yourself. Are you understanding? But if something is important to you and that only you give to other, then you are a great person and you are doing the example of selfless act. Understood this? So what I want from my children, that we should have the concept of selfless act. In life we should do this, but you all are now child. Okay? So if you help other, you do this much only, that you never discuss about this with anyone. And second, you don't look in the eye of the person, otherwise you can become a egoistic person, proudy person, who is thinking that he or she is correct because he or she has done good thing in the life. Okay, this type of thing we should not do. So one child said to me one time, sir, always we should think that we are the worst person, bad person in this world. I said, oh my God, what you are saying? Then one said that, sir, we should always think that we are the best person in this world. I said, can it be possible that we are not thinking both of these sentences? Best, worst. When you will Yes or no? Can we have a life? So I'm saying that have the life, don't have the competition. Have the life, don't have the. If you will have a life, no need of comparing I am the best, I am the worst. Okay? You are experiencing the beautiful journey on this world which is called life. Have you seen the plants or animals? They are worried about this, that who is the best, who is the worst. Never. Whenever the wind is blowing, they are feeling it and they are having that happiness which we human beings are missing because of the competitive mindset. See, you should work hard and you should be at the top of anything. This is my prayer and this is my wish. But at the same time, I think that you should live a life. You should not be competitive. You should not hate anyone. You should not think I'm low, I'm up. Why you think this? You just live your life. Others will say that you are at high place. You said no. I don't know, I don't think this type of topic. Okay, this type of topic, I don't think only. So, selfless service of a bridge builder, an old man going alone highway. Okay, lone highway means on that road no one is present. Okay, so that is called lone highway. Came at the evening cold and grey. So he is coming at the evening time is cold and it is grey. Came at the evening cold and grey means maybe dressing sense is talked about grey color and he is feeling cold, having fever. To a chasm vast and deep and wide, thou which was flowing a swollen tide. So what is said that one narrow valley was there between the hill and this was deep and this was wide. Deep and wide. Okay. And from which what was swollen? Swollen tide means tide used to come. Have you seen? You see the wave of the water? No, that is called tide. High tide, low tide. Okay. So those who are going nearby the beach, okay, beach, there they can see the high tide, low tide are there. Mumbai also you can see, Goa also you can see. Okay. So one funny example is there that I want to say to all the children. What the example is. So in Patna, so many ghats are there because Ganga river is there. How many of you have visited Patna? Okay, many. Put your hands down. Many ghats are there. One college is there, NIT college, which is a good college. So there also ghat is there. The name is NIT Ghat. Every Saturday there aarti used to happen to Ganga river and to so many prayer used to happen. It used to be very beautiful there. And he participated also maybe in aarti.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you know this is college. This is beautiful ghat. And here river is there. After this river, this much small land is also there.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And this land, what the name they have kept? This land name they have kept Goa Beach. Okay. What name they have kept? Means in Patna, if you have to go Goa, simply from here you will take one boat and you will reach Goa. So some people said this is wrong. How you can write Goa Beach? Goa Beach is in Goa, not in Patna. So they said yes, you are speaking correct. So they changed the name. And the new name is New Goa Beach. Understood? So here one boat used to be there always, one old wooden boat. Old man is also there. His age is nearly 80-year-old, right? And maybe the capacity of this boat is that 20 people can sit. He will make 40 people to sit on the boat. will make the people to sit on the boat, like how some guardian used to make, no, that you sit there, means my friend is sitting with some other person and some other friend is sitting with me, okay? Like you think you go there, you think person you sit there, all congested people will sit there, he will charge some 40 or 50 rupees maybe to take to Goa beach. And from return, you cannot sail, no? Okay, again you have to pay him this much money to come back, right? Now he will start. How much slowly he will move the boat, no? Maximum distance from here to here is 1.5 kilometer. Okay. But how he will move? That much slowly he will move, no? That you can feel that if I will run, no, I will reach fast. All will become irritated, all will start looking each other, that much slow. Means if little bit, if he will not move the boat, if he will leave the boat, no, simply it can reach there. That much slowly the boat was moving. But finally when the boat is reaching here, after maybe 1 hour, okay, when the boat is reaching here, right? Now this much only distance is there, maybe maximum it can be 10 meter. For that he will take 20 minutes. Finally people will see him like, I want to jump from here, okay? If I die, at my risk. That much slow he used to go. Second is, one steamer is also there. That steamer is very fast. They used to charge a good money, and within 2 minutes they will land here. Okay. So why I said this example? I said this example so that we can discuss about the tide. So the Ganga river is there, and in the Ganga river I have never seen tide. So tide you can see at the shore part. Okay. So high tide used to come, low tide used to come. In Ganga river also tide used to come when the dam are constructed. Okay, and other side the tide you can see. Okay. So in Patna I have not seen tide. But when the water level used to increase, that time flood situation used to come. That time the tide used to come. Okay.